umbrellas.
Bro, Ryan.
Found it? Figured it out?
It's the fucking trigger.
What, you hold the trigger
Yeah.
to not move?
Yeah.
So what? Yeah, this one's probably the nicest one, like cleaner this one.
Now you got it. Yeah, now it's like still shit.
Yeah.
That's this trigger, and your thumb is left and right.
Yeah, it's like model.
Alright, we're about to.
I mean, you do
Go
got
with
to clear
it.
this shit out. TBK. You could be losing money against me in this dice game, though. Real quick. What's up? You want some of this roll?
I mean,
You got
No.
dollars? We will play
I
small
mean, I
wheel.
might.
Small wheel.
I got you.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
We can play dollar rolls if you guys want.
I got you, Rob.
We'll progress. We'll progress.
Throwing. Alright, we throwing bills. That's how we doing this now.
Yeah, we'll see who shoots that. 6. Oh, I got
Ooh,
3.
fuck.
You know it's a whole lot of gang shit.
Oh god.
Oh! You got a
Camera
1.
was freaking
One,
out.
2, 3. Oh
Strong 5,
no! No!
but not enough. Now,
How much is that? That's 8. Is that 8?
$8 a game now.
Alright, last game. What up, what up, what up? Alright, so here at Beamer House, you know, moving into the new shop. So let's get, ooh, wrong way. Still working on this gimbal. Oh yeah, I got a gimbal. But yeah. So been working on this E46 for the past little bit. So if we come back around, we can see everything that's being moved. This will be our South Performance corner out here with the E30 M3, the 1M clone, and yeah, lift is gonna go back there. Hopefully do a bunch of cool stuff. Got a floor plan drawn up out here, so kind of what we're working with. So this is the back half of the shop, and this is where the lift is gonna be compared to this one. Yeah, so it's gonna, next lift is gonna be over here, and then we're gonna have a whole bunch of storage back here where the RV is along the back wall, so we can kind of take advantage of this vertical space. But all I gotta say, I hate these brake boosters. That was the biggest pain. So let's see what's going on out here. Oh yeah, so we got the entryway. Also, I've never seen an oil jug this freaking big for retail. Ryan, BMW's got you hating your life?
No more gentlemen.
Yeah, mods only, custom fab. Why don't you fab yourself some bitches in a bed? All right, so next up on the list, clearing out the lot. You know, I'm gonna get some stuff, Ryan, one of those. I'm gonna get some stuff towed, and yeah, should be pretty nice. Having some room here in the next little bit, so keep going. All right, so today we're gonna be seeing how difficult it is to change the oil on the LS swap BMW. I don't think it's going to be hard at all. We are utilizing the Sicky relocation kit as far as our oil filter location. It is now where the AC compressor used to be. So that's pretty cool. And then we have the oversized pan from Sicky to switch it to the front sump with an easy access drain plug. So ideally, nothing crazy. The rest of what we're doing today is starting to go over some smaller things. We're going to adjust the coilovers and fix the steering shaft. That way this car can turn freely without it rubbing, which it's currently doing. And then you can't steer it because the steering shaft keeps falling out. So that's what we're gonna try and accomplish today. Yeah. Not a bad looking color, but there's definitely some gunk on this. This oil has been sitting in here for like 2 years.
Yeah, pretty close to it. Close enough.
And never been changed because it never really ran. So this is the first oil change since it's like idled a decent amount to try and get the crap out. But there's just weird sludge on the magnetic tip, but no real metal that I could see. Oil looks pretty clear. It smells a little like gasoline, which means I'm probably getting some cylinder wash, but that's just because there's no O2 sensors. And this oil has probably lost some of its viscosity. Actually, psych, I don't know what I'm saying. We'll just go with that. Yeah, so this pan is incredibly large capacity, so I did not think it would take this long. Any guesses on what the oil capacity is?
10.5 quarts.
I have no idea. I gotta look it up. It was the shop ghost. Yeah, so Quet's scared of our shop ghost.
I ain't scared of no bro.
Okay, what if it was a shop frog that was a ghost?
Yeah, fuck that, bro.
Oh, fuck. Yes, it is. Yep.